Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you two methods to create mask effect in Canva. Open Canva and create new design. Go to elements, go to frame, choose this frame, then resize it as you need, rotate it, then make a duplicate, make a rotation, then drag picture. I will choose this, resize it as you want, like this, make a duplicate, and make it fit to alt, then go to position, layers, choose this behind of the frames, then make a copy for this and drag it into the frame. Paste another picture, then drag it. The same things, make the same operation for all frames. Then make a rotation and fit with the old image that exists behind of the frames. I will adjust the first image like that. We see this, it is fit with the behind image. We'll fit this also. Make it fit with the behind image like this. Now you see that all frames are fit with the old image. So we will remove the behind image, and this is the mask effect. We will make some pretty designs. Choose circle like this, change the color to any color like this, then duplicate it or insert another one. Change the color to white color or this background color. Resize it and make it in one group. Then duplicate again, duplicate and change the color and size. Select this, change the color to another color like this, duplicate it, select all, then duplicate. Now our design is ready. We will choose another method, open new page, then select shape, choose any style of shape that you want, then make a duplicate, and make it like that. Then choose another shape like this, and make it more bigger, then make it behind of the shapes, go to position, then make it here, change the color to black color, and undo the white color. Then download the image, remove all dates, then go to upload the page, drag the image, then click on background remover. Then go to edit, diatom, choose custom, change all these colors to white color, and the shadows also. Then go to upload, we'll drag this image, make it behind of the first image like this. We'll resize the first image, then resize this also. Now our design are ready. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next tutorial.